to be converting all our waste into wealth.
My name is Chima Ernest Okoli. I am the founder of Buddy Greenspark Initiative. I also work with several organizations and even the government around youth development, right, and circular economy. So I want to ask, does GSS Kubwa win an award with plenty cash money for the cleanest school in Nigeria? Okay, but there's what we call circular economy. So circular economy is simply an economy that does not try to discard things. Anything that is quote and unquote waste, like your pure water sachet, the can of Maltina or malt that you have, the PET bottles, the bottle of Coke. You know that I didn't bring. You know that you can turn this your Coke bottle to earrings. So nice bangles. So yeah, it is possible and it happens. And so I've spoken with your principal for a while. From next term is that we want to make GSS Kubwa not just the neatest school in the whole of Nigeria, but the first circular economy centered school in Nigeria. Do you think it's possible? So the goal is to turn the bulk of the waste that we have. I hope you know that you can even recycle paper. You know you can recycle paper. You can turn it into tissue paper. You know you can recycle fabric, clothes. You can turn it into different clothes. You can even use it as stuffings for pillows. You can use it as stuffings for mattresses. You can use it for soft mats. So there's when you are looking at waste, there's a whole lot that we can't do with waste. These things that we just throw away, the things that make our environment really look bad. I can see a gutter there. I can see some pieces of paper. The goal is that by next term, for those of you who are really interested, who are interested in craft, who like to make things with your hands, and who are interested in making the environment cleaner, we are going to come up with a mechanism, a club of some sort that ensures that we collect all this waste. And anybody that you see just taking yogurt or taking pure water and throwing away, you can report and we'll do something to them. But we shall still carry the pure water, the pure water sachet and the papers and turn it into something beneficial. Now, I know you may ask, what is in it for me? Abi? Why should students want to participate? For young people who are change makers. How many of you know of Nat Joe Wild?
Yes.
How many wants to feature in Nat Joe Wild? You don't want? You don't like animals?
Animal.
It's not just about the animals. You know, saving the environment means you're also saving animals, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, while I was carrying out a project in Kubwa, let me paint a picture for you. You know, these are phase 4 river here. Someone who was living in Kubwa, someone who was born here, he was living in Kubwa some 36, 40 years ago. They used to go to this river here and swim and play. People used to catch fish and all of those things. Can you try it now? Why? Do you think there are any fishes? No, the place is just dirty and it's messed up. But if we begin to stop some of the, let me shake a table now, some of the Bola people from throwing things into the river, by the time we begin to first of all establish a system which we collect waste and we turn it into, some of you will not even need school sandals again because we'll be able to make our own school sandals by ourselves. We'll be able to make our own school bags. We'll be able to make a lot of things. In fact, while coming here, I was just thinking, what can we do to differentiate between normal students and those in the environment club? And I figured that we can use these normal Coke bottles to get tags, just like this US Nigeria one, that just get a tag that we can pin to the chest and all of that. There's a whole lot that you can do. So as regards what you will gain from it, skills, you'll be able to, not everybody wants to transform this waste, but you can become an environmental police, be part of the environmental police of the school. You can develop your public speaking skills, you can develop your vocational skills, and you win a lot of competitions, I promise you, because I have also done some work with SEB, especially around technology, and I'm aware that no school around the FCT is serious about circular economy like we are going to make it serious. So before I let go of the microphone, does anybody have any question for me? Yes, so. Yes, so I think some of you here brought in when we play football every Sunday. Some of you and some of you here in this school come there, and yes, we watch it. It's made from pure water sachet now, so you can my football boots that I made from pure water sachet, I play inside the rain too. And so yes, it is very waterproof and it is good. Is there any other question? Is there any other question? Ma'am? Am I going to be? Oh yes, I will train. I have a plethora of young people. I have great young people across the nation who are also going to train. And even outside, we get people from Ghana, we get people from Tanzania, and all of that come around.
I'm going to post all of this on the WhatsApp group for your parents to see. You understand? Then there's one school bag here.
So finally, I'll just ask, how many of you want to join the Environment Club? So I have one assignment, because we may not be able to take so many people, right? Especially at the start. What I would say is, while you're going for your break, it's very long, it's over 1 month. Go and read about, take your parents' phones, go and read about the different things you can do from waste. The different ways you can turn waste to wealth. When you resume, you just submit what you have done. It will be great if you even make an attempt and let it even be very bad. For some of you here, you have seen me try to do very interesting experiments with pure water sachets. We have wasted, oh my God. We keep on iterating and doing experiments. So go and write, you can try to create something from waste, anything you find around you, and bring it to your principal's office. We are going to pick from the people who have shown interest, and I promise you, you'll have a swell time. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Chima and Okoli, for this one. You have heard, you want to become a member. It is not just automatic. You have to show commitment. During this holiday, go and read about how you can turn waste to wealth. Try your hands on trying to even do 1 or 2 things. Or if you cannot do anything practically, write what you think you can do. And when you bring it to me in September, that is what will determine your membership into the environmental club. There are a lot of things, like you saw this thing now, how to turn, you have seen the pure water like that. After you have picked it, how do you now cut it? How do you now string them together to this? And now go and get shoe and learning. Once you become a member of the environmental club, it's not for everybody, only for committed people.